Listen up because I'm about to tell you something most financial gurus won't. You don't need a trust fund or win the lottery to become a millionaire. That's right, I said it. You, my friend, can build serious wealth with a little discipline and a whole lot of smart moves. In this video, I'm laying out a simple, step-by-step plan to get you there in 40 years. We're talking a cool million, starting with just $100 a month. Stick around because this is the financial advice you've been waiting for. Now let's talk about the real MVP of wealth building: compound interest. This, my friends, is the key to turning those humble savings into a mountain of cash. Imagine this, you're 25 years old, just starting out. You commit to putting away $100 a month, right? Nothing crazy. But here's where it gets interesting. With an average annual return of 8%, which is totally doable, by the time you hit 65, you're looking at over $1 million. That's the magic of compounding. Every penny you earn starts earning its own interest, and over time, it snowballs into something truly amazing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to work its magic. So don't wait. The market waits for no one. Alright, before we go building castles in the sky, we need to start with the basics. We need a rock-solid foundation. Just like a house needs a sturdy base to stand tall, your financial journey requires a strong start. That means getting your financial house in order. Start small, but be consistent. Track your expenses, create a budget, and stick to it. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a million-dollar portfolio. Patience and persistence are key. Set up automatic investments so you're never tempted to skip a month. Automating your savings ensures you stay on track without even thinking about it. Out of sight, out of mind, and into your future wealth. Let your money grow quietly in the background. Now let's talk about credit card debt. That stuff is a wealth killer. High interest rates can derail your financial progress. High interest rates eat into your potential earnings faster than a pack of hungry wolves. It's crucial to tackle this head-on. Prioritize paying off those high-interest debts first. Make it a goal to eliminate them as quickly as possible. Think of it as clearing the path for your money to grow. Once the debt is out of the way, your financial journey becomes much smoother. And one more thing, life throws curveballs. Unexpected expenses can pop up at any time. That's why you need an emergency fund. It's your financial buffer against life surprises. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses stashed away. This fund will give you peace of mind and stability. It's your financial safety net, protecting you from unexpected setbacks. With these steps, you're well on your way to building a secure financial future brick by brick. Okay, now for the fun part, investing. This is where your money starts to work for you, and the possibilities are endless. Where you put your money matters, folks. It's not just about saving, it's about growing your wealth strategically. We're not talking about gambling here. We're talking about strategic, long-term growth. Gambling is risky and unpredictable, but investing wisely can secure your financial future. Index funds and ETFs are your best friends. These investment vehicles offer a diversified portfolio, reducing risk while providing steady returns. They're like the diversified all-stars of the investing world, offering low costs and mirroring the market's performance. This means you can benefit from the overall growth of the market without having to pick individual stocks. Real estate is another fantastic avenue for building wealth. Investing in property can provide both appreciation and rental income. It's tangible, it appreciates over time, and it can generate passive income. Plus, owning property gives you a sense of stability and security. If buying property isn't your thing, consider REITs, real estate investment trusts. These allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of managing properties. They give you exposure to the real estate market without the hassle of being a landlord. REITs can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio. And of course, we can't forget about stocks. Blue chip companies, growth stocks, dividend-paying stocks. The stock market offers a plethora of opportunities for every type of investor. There's a whole world of opportunities out there. Whether you're looking for stability or high growth, the stock market has something for you. Do your research, diversify your portfolio, and watch your money grow. Remember, the key to successful investing is patience and informed decision-making. Listen, everyone makes mistakes, but in the world of finance, some mistakes can cost you dearly. These errors can derail your dreams and set you back years. It's crucial to be aware of these pitfalls and take proactive steps to avoid them. So let's talk about what to avoid. First up, get-rich-quick schemes. These schemes promise quick returns with little effort, but they are often scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always do your research and be skeptical of offers that seem too perfect. These schemes are designed to separate you from your money, not make you rich. Next up, budgeting. Many people overlook the importance of a budget, thinking it's restrictive. I know, it sounds boring, but trust me on this one. A budget is not just a list of expenses, it's a powerful tool that gives you control over your finances. A budget is your financial roadmap, helping you track your income, expenses, and savings goals. It allows you to make informed decisions and plan for the future. Without it, you're driving blind. Imagine trying to reach a destination without a map or GPS. That's what managing your finances without a budget is like. And finally, as your income grows, so should your contributions. It's easy to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, where your spending increases as your income does. Don't let lifestyle inflation eat away at your progress. Instead, focus on increasing your investments and savings. Keep increasing those investments and you'll be amazed at how quickly your wealth grows. Consistent contributions, no matter how small, can lead to significant growth over time. For more on avoiding financial pitfalls, check out my video, 10 Financial Mistakes to Avoid. It's packed with tips and advice to help you stay on track and achieve your financial goals. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires time and effort. It takes discipline, patience, and a long-term mindset to succeed. The market will have its ups and downs, but don't panic or lose hope. Remember, you're in it for the long haul, not just a quick win. Stay consistent with your investments, ride out the storms, and keep your eyes on the prize. The market rewards those who are patient and disciplined over time. Don't get sidetracked by short-term fluctuations or the latest investment fads. Stick to your plan, stay the course, and watch your wealth grow steadily over time. Remember, slow and steady wins the race always. So there you have it. A simple, step-by-step plan to become a millionaire in 40 years. Remember, it all starts with taking that first step. Start small, stay consistent, and make smart choices with your money. For a deeper dive into growing that $100 and mastering your finances in 2025 and beyond, watch the full video. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. The road to $1 million may not be glamorous, but it's paved with smart decisions and unwavering commitment. What will your first move be? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep building those smart money habits, and remember, you've got this.